How to learn Python with ChatGPT. Learn Python with ChatGPT's personalized assistance, coding practice and guidance on best practices. Overview. Own this piece of history. Collect this article as an. Join us on social networks to learn Python with ChatGPT. One can start by asking specific questions about Python programming, syntax or any topics related to Python. It can provide users with explanations, examples and resources to help them learn and improve their skills. Additionally, it can recommend Python programming tutorials, online courses and other resources based on one's level of experience and learning goals. Whether someone is a beginner or an experienced programmer, ChatGPT can support their Python learning journey. Here's how to learn Python with ChatGPT. Syntax explanation. One can ask for syntax explanations to ChatGPT. What is the syntax for creating a Python list? In Python, a list is created using square brackets. For example, one can create a list of numbers like this. One can also create a list of strings or a combination of different data types. Here's an example of a list of strings project guidance. One may ask a question to ChatGPT, such as how can I create a Python program that generates a random number between 1 and 10? ChatGPT's answer to the above question could be, to create a Python program that generates a random number between 1 and 10, you can use the random module in Python. Here's an example code snippet. This code will generate a random integer between 1 and 10 and print it to the console. Related, how? Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.